Make adorable and unique children's train valances without sewing. These easy-to-use no-sew train valance kits include everything you need to convert basic cotton fabric into an impressive custom train window treatment. Choose your favorite train design kit and add 1.5 yards of fabric to match your decor. Use the Valance design kit to create a train valance base and patch design sections. Follow the numbers to assemble and fuse your train together. These easy-to-make train valances are hung using a wide pocket curtain rod with Velcro. You can also make a center panel train without side panels or an adorable tapestry-style train wall accent. Link 2 train styles together to fit windows up to 120 inches wide. These adorable train valances are really easy to make. Use the included fusible fabric backing to fuse lining to the back of your fabric section, then simply trace the valance design form to make your valance design base. Use the included style forms and fabric to make your train accent sections. Follow the simple placement guide to make your train. Fuse the ribbon accents first, then assemble your train patch designs. Position the train nose, lights, and pop-up smokestack. Then simply fuse the patches in place. Attach the included edge trim and Velcro to complete your panel. Next, make no-sew side panels to hang with your train center panel. Then simply slip the side panels on the rod and secure the train center panel to the back of the rod. Your valance will be ready to hang. These incredibly adorable and easy-to-make trains make a big impression on any window. Follow the easy steps outlined in the no-sew video tutorial to make your train. When custom Keepsake trains are this easy to make, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.